Trevor Sutcliffe here. I'm product specialist for Jaylor. We're here today at the WPS Oshkosh Farm Show releasing our newest product line, the construction wagons. See it behind us here. We've got the 18-ton version here today. We've got the C124, we've got a C130, and they are ranging from 18, 24, 30-ton capacities. The main benefits are being able to use your tractor and your excavator or payloader to do your construction work around the farm, or to take your farm tractor and use it into the construction industry when you're not busy in the summer. So we have bodies and the two larger machines made out of AR400, which is actually the same material they use in armored vehicles, so it's very dent resistant, very wear resistant. We dump to a very steep angle, so the material will slide out of the body very easily. The body is tapered, so it allows, again, material to slide out easier than normal and not stick into the corners. We have double acting dump cylinder, so the double acting allows the oil to force the body back down, making it a little bit quicker, but primarily to save oil capacity. So we're only pulling somewhere between 2 and 4 gallons from the tractor. We're returning oil all the time that we're pumping, we're returning back to the reservoir too. So it's we can use larger machines on smaller tractors and older tractors without any problems. As I said earlier, the body is tapered from front to back, about 4 inches wider at the back than the front, which makes it harder to build, but a lot nicer when you're dumping material. Material comes out a lot quicker and easier. As the load comes back, it just gets freer and falls out easily. By having this tapered panel on the floor, allows us, like a rock truck, to get away from needing a tailgate, primarily when you're working into fence line cleanups or large lumps of concrete, whatever it may be. It removes the tailgate issue of it being in the way for loading and for unloading as well. So as we move down the machine here, we've got on this unit a single axle, which, like we mentioned before, is movable with bolted positions, and that's the same on the lower 2 machines, so the C118 and the C124. The C130, we can hook that up to hydraulics, and we can slide the whole tandem axle forward and back 18 inches or so, and that gives you quite a large difference in weight on the hitch. So if you're in wet conditions, you can slide the axle back, or while you're dumping. If you want to have less weight, going down the road at speed or whatever it may be, you can move the axle ahead, basically choosing wherever you want it to be. The whole rest of the machine is built very heavy, as you can tell. We've got a heavy frame under it. We got large pins on the cylinder, large hoses. The whole machine is built from the front to the back with a commercial mindset. Standard, we use a 445 65 22.5 standard road going highway tire, and then we trade up to many different sizes and applications. We've bias ply, we've radial tires, depending on speeds to go down the road, depending on your flotation, and also on your budget as well. We can go into applications where maybe highway trucks or rock trucks wouldn't be able to travel normally. We can go in and float over the surface just like you would with a farm tractor. This machine actually has a bolted hitch, but the other two, the C124 and the C130, both have a sprung load hitch where it takes out the shock load of the tractor bouncing down the field or down the roads. And then they all come with a standard swivel hitch, so when you're driving down your uneven applications, the hitch on the tractor is always kept level. So we've got a very diverse machine that we can use in agriculture and industry, and cross over easily between the two. And making better use of farm equipment in the off seasons, and being able to use payloaders and excavators and tractors for industrial use around the farm.